eat breakfast at the same cafe every week. I never eat after 10 o'clock in the evening. I live in a small town near the capital of my country. People in my country generally prefer coffee to tea. I enjoy my job very much. I believe our government isn't doing enough to deal with the problem of pollution. I feel that the key to good health is mostly diet and exercise. Right now, I'm staying in a small hotel not far from here. I'm originally from Warsaw, but I'm currently living in Krakow. At the moment, I'm studying psychology. I'm in my final year of the course. Right now, more and more people are learning online because of the coronavirus situation. Online shopping is becoming more and more popular. People in my country are starting to eat more healthily. I was feeling a bit chilly, so I put on a jacket. I was walking down the road when I noticed an interesting monument. It was raining heavily, so I opened my umbrella. While I was sunbathing on the beach, I heard a loud noise. In my country, pollution has had a serious impact on people's health. I think people have become much more health conscious because of the coronavirus pandemic. Recently, online shopping has been really popular in my country. I think that since last year, the way people work has changed dramatically. Internet technologies have really changed the way we communicate since 20 years ago. Since I moved to the capital, my social life has become a lot more interesting. Since last year, I've met a lot of interesting people. Over the last 5 years, I've completed 2 language courses. One place I'd love to visit is India. I've never been there. I've never been interested in football. Nobody has ever asked me that question before. More and more people have been working from home in recent months. Lately, I've been thinking of moving to the United States.